Get ready for a game changer in smartphone performance. The upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is poised to redefine speed with a significant RAM upgrade. This isn't just about the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor, which is already a leap forward from the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. No, Samsung is taking it a step further by enhancing the device's RAM capabilities. According to a tweet by @UniverseIce, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will boast LPDDR5X RAM with an impressive data transfer speed of 10.7 gigabits. To put this into perspective, the Galaxy S25 Ultra uses LPDDR5X RAM with a speed of 8.5 gigabits. This means the new model will offer a 25% boost in RAM speed compared to its predecessor. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users might argue that such a significant upgrade in RAM speed won't make a noticeable difference in everyday use. What do you think? The benefits of faster RAM are undeniable. Users can expect reduced loading times and smoother graphics performance, making the overall experience more fluid and responsive. Samsung introduced this cutting-edge LPDDR5X RAM with 10.7 gigabits per second speed back in April 2024. And it's likely that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature the same in-house chip. What sets the Galaxy S26 Ultra apart from its competitors? As of now, no other brand offers faster RAM chips for mobile devices. Samsung's 10.7 gigabits per second LPDDR5X RAM outpaces competitors like Micron and SK Hynix, whose LPDDR5T RAM maxes out at 9.6 gigabits. And this is the part most people miss. The T in LPDDR5T might sound like an upgrade, but it's actually slower than Samsung's LPDDR5X. So is the Galaxy S26 Ultra set to dominate the market with its unmatched RAM speed? Or will other brands catch up soon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear whether you think this upgrade is a game changer or just a spec bump. This insight comes from Abid Iqbal Sheikh, a computer science engineer with a passion for automobiles and consumer electronics. Based in Hyderabad, India, Abid has been covering technology since 2017, writing for platforms like My Smart Price, 91 Mobiles, Apple and OnSite Go, before joining Sam Mobile. His first Samsung device was the Galaxy S2, and he's been hooked ever since.